Hi guys, welcome to this video, and this is my latest order in here from Hatton Garden Metals. I've got a bit of the packaging just to show you and just going to do a little review really. So you see some of the other bits and bobs I've had recently from different places. I'll get to those in a minute. So first of all, the packaging from Hatton Garden Metals has this tape on it. So basically when you peel off, you get the void sort of open tape. So it looks like this normally, and then as you peel it back, it does that. So you can't stick it back down to make it look like it's not been tampered with. So good to have that security. That is the only thing really that makes the parcel stand out. You know, if you're ordering something that maybe not very valuable, you might just get a normal envelope. So other than that, you know, very discreet packaging. This is what we have today. So we've got a little gold order. I have just cut my way in just to save a bit of time here on the video and hopefully minimise the rustling. So Hatton Garden Metals, like I say, is who I've ordered from. So very secure packaging, you know, nicely wrapped up. The only issue I have with it is I basically ordered 8 days ago and paid for first thing in the morning, you know, put the order through about 9 AM, and the package has only arrived 8 days later. So it does say on the website that they've been, you know, back to normal for over a month after the lockdown, saying they have no problems, you know, etc, etc. So I was a bit disappointed when my order didn't turn up the next day, despite what it said on the website. So after ringing the staff, they were very helpful and basically explained that some of the stuff I'd ordered is kept in a vault off-site, and they had to wait for that stuff to be delivered to then post it to me. So that's taken them just over a week, which that's my only disappointment. Other than that, we have obviously everything that I ordered. So we have a 1/4 ounce Gold Britannia in 2019. It's in new condition and all looks okay, as it should. So we have 1/4 ounce there. I've got 2 of these 10 ounce Gold Britannias from this year, 2020. Yeah, Britannia 2020. And all looks nice. They're my first 10 ounce coins. In terms of fractional gold, my only problem is that it costs more, you know, per ounce or per gram. So if I was to get 10 of these at the time, it would have cost me about £1,500 for an ounce. Whereas I had an offer from the local coin shop that I could have bought a Krugerrand for 1,400. So obviously would have been paying, you know, 10% more. So if you go into the online dealers, you know, you do often pay a little bit more for the fractional bits of gold. So I have got a little selection here just because I wanted to get a bit of variety really and just sort of see what I like and maybe what I'll get more of. The bars, they would be subject to capital gains tax, so I'm not planning to get too many of those. You can see I've got 2 1 gram bars here already, and I picked those up because they were just a really good deal on the day when I was browsing around. So those I got directly from the Bed Mint, those 2. Whereas this one, it came from Hatton Garden Metals. Like I say, it was just a random selection, so it was a random 5 gram bar, and that's what they've come up with. So got another one of those. Very nice. And then yeah, the 2 10th ounces. So like I say, you would be paying more really per ounce if you were just focusing on these, but at the same time, you know, you can get one of these with maybe £160 today, rather than trying to save up, you know, 10 times that to get your 1 ounce coin. You notice these here, these look a bit coppery. These are the gold sovereigns. So in terms of fractional gold, I like these being from the UK because they are very, very liquid. You know, I could take a bag of these to, that's just my fingerprint on the plastic. I could take a bag of these to my local coin dealer and liquidate them, you know, there and then. Any day of the week, you'd be happy to take off, you know, a big chunk of these, and they're very, very well recognised. The coppery sort of colour is because of the copper in them, so they're not 4 9s gold. I think it's 917. compared to these more gold looking coins like the Britannia or the Lunar Rat quarter ounces, because they are 4/9s. So I do like the 4/9s because of the gold colour. You know, they do look very, very nice. But like I say, sovereigns are very easy to liquidate. They're good to have in the stack here in the UK. And very well recognised coins, you know. I'm sure many of the listeners and viewers around the world will recognise them. So some of the other bits and bobs I've picked up recently. So this is my first copper round. And obviously, being the Silversaurus, we saw a dinosaur on a coin and we had to have it. So this is just a copper Velociraptor. It cost about £7, which compared to the price of copper is a bit daft, but it's more just, you know, a collectible, and because it's got a dinosaur on and we like dinosaurs, so that is just a bit of a novelty, you know, thing to put in the stack. Also recently picked up another dinosaur coin. So this is 25 rand from the South African Mint, and this is 1 ounce 4/9 silver, or it's 3/9 definitely, maybe it's 4/9. But yeah, they have the Rise of the Dinosaurs, and yeah, it just looks awesome. We like dinosaurs, so we saw it and we picked it up. That was from coin dealer in the UK called, what was his name? I forgot. Something like the Northeast Coin Shop or something. That's a website anyway. I'll make sure I put a link down below so you can find it. And then here we got a little lonely 2020 Britannia. So 1 ounce silver. Yeah, and like I say, a few bits of gold. So hope you enjoyed the video. Just like I say, a little update, and we have other bits and bobs around and about, but this is just what I've got on hand today. So the rest of the silver is obviously nice and secure. So have a great day, and love to hear any questions you have, and yeah, let me know your thoughts. Do you agree? Do you disagree? You know, what would you stack in terms of gold? Let me know. Talk soon.